Hermetic sealing is a key indicator to measure the sealing effect of the Kovar alloy shell. The Kovar alloy shell of this atomic clock requires that the sealing effect after welding meets the national military standard requirements and has strict requirements on the heat of the welding process. We use this glovebox laser hermetic sealing system to finish the welding test. In addition to controlling the water oxygen content and argon environment in the box, it can also control the temperature, keeping stable, which perfectly matches the welding requirements. It's saying that the welding seam is smooth and flat after welding, and it was tested by the helium mass spectrometer, and the tightness level met the requirements of the national military standard. The customer is very satisfied with the welding effect. Jimmy Technology focuses on to provide more hermetic sealing effect solutions. So welcome to contact us and send a PM for more detailed information.